AssetWhere Facilities Management enables work requests to be submitted and scheduled. Most schools give staff access to this part of facilities management so they can log ad hoc requests, and there is a permissions matrix that ensures that staff only get access to the key areas required. So let's have a look. Off the home page, all they have to do is click Submit New Request. Then I fill in the key details: the Adams building, the design lab, who is the manager here that may have to approve this, and I can send a confirmation email if I want to. Then I start filling in the details. It's an air conditioning system and it's leaking. And then it knows it's the design lab because I've already filled it in, but now I get the floor plan. So I can show whereabouts that system is. And this is really useful in a split system, so it identifies which system they need to look at, can add additional details, and that's where the staff finish. They go no further. Now this is the head of maintenance. They set the priority level. They can give an expected completion date. Now they can assign the approved contractors that are already in the system. So I assign Phil's Plumbing, David Bruce here. And then I can set the limit that the job can't go past. I then can add any additional pictures to support this initial work request, and then I can assign the work request to the asset. So I can build up a history here. So it's air conditioning, it's in the design lab. Now I can see which air conditioner it is, and I can assign that work request to that individual air conditioner then. And then that will send out an automatic email to the people listed or the school contact. So it's completely up to the school whether they enable this section for their teachers. So it's really easy for teachers to log ad hoc work requests and for the head of maintenance to track all of the requests and then take action as required.